Hey guys, so it's very important in cha-cha to have a side lead. So most of people I see they dance, they have a walk, walk, and body is completely flat. Let's say in cha-cha, this is basic walk. What it should look like, you always, especially for the backward walk, you want to have a strong side lead. You go 2, 3. Now here you need to really strongly turn the shoulders back. Cha, cha, cha. That's how you're supposed to go. Then go back 2, and with the strong, not even chest lead, it's like almost like a shoulder lead. Then cha, cha, cha. So for the cha, cha is really powerful technique when you start changing sides. 2, 3, cha, 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 2, 3, cha, cha. So you have 3 cha, cha back 3 times. You would have to change shoulders. 2, 3, cha, 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 change, cha, 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 change, cha, cha, cha. So always shoulder lead, never flat. With Christina. So can you demonstrate shoulder lead in cha-cha backward lock step? So for example, if she'll go backward lock step now, she has to already start taking her shoulders back, cha, 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 and 2, 3, and even she will go forward. You see, now I will go with a strong shoulder lead back, cha, cha, cha. So in cha-cha, it's extremely important, especially for your routine when you have batucadas after that is extremely important. You're going 2, 3. You can grab your skirt and really create a strong shoulder lead there. Cha, cha, cha. Now go for your batucadas. Chica, 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 chica. Very good.